Okay, I will share the recording at the end of the class. Okay.
Okay.
So I think Lily, you were asking the question, no, for copy pasting large amount of data. So, okay, everyone can see my screen.
Kindly maximize it.
Uh, is it minimized?
Yes, it's so tiny, you can't see.
Okay, just a second. Now, is it visible? Just check.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so let's say you want to copy large amount of data using a shortcut, isn't it? So either you can copy large amount of data by selecting it from the mouse first and then Control C. Okay. You have to select the data from your mouse by dragging your mouse pad, and then you have to press Control C for copying. If you want to copy the entire data of the sheet, you have to use Control plus A to first select the entire data, Control plus A to select the entire data, and then Control plus C to copy the entire data. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, so,
Anshu,
yeah, tell me.
you're saying control plus E or control plus C?
So first you need to select the entire data by using Control plus A for Apple. Okay. Once you press Control plus A, the entire data set will be selected. Is that clear? Once the data set is
Yes.
selected, then you have to press Control plus C. All right. Let me write the shortcut in the notepad for all of you so that you can remember it. So to select all data, everyone can see my screen. Control plus
Yes.
A. Okay. To copy the selected data, Control plus C. To, yeah, someone saying something?
Yeah, I wanted to say
Yeah.
now about this is just when you want to select the entire. Now
Yeah.
I'm asking if you want to select maybe from, you want to leave the header,
Okay.
maybe you want
Uh,
to leave the header, you want to select the other data.
Okay. So let's say I want to select the entire data except the header, isn't it?
The header.
Yeah. So either you can start selecting the data from here, isn't it? So from here, either you can select the data by using your mouse and dragging the data like this, like by dragging your mouse pad like this till the end. Are you getting it? Which will take lot of time because it's a huge data, isn't it? So in order to avoid this inconvenience, I have told you now, we have to use shortcut. So let's say I have to select the entire data except the header. So select this cell, the second row, the second row's first cell, then press Control Shift right direction arrow and keep pressing Control Shift and then down direction arrow. Now you see the entire data has been selected except the header. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, once the entire data is selected, you can copy the data by using Control C. And then you can paste the data anywhere by using Control V. Okay. So I am writing the shortcut for you all so that it can be easy for you to remember it. Okay. To paste the copied data, we write Control plus V. Okay. To select specific data, we use Control plus Shift plus the direction arrow. Okay. Like whichever direction you want to select the data, that direction arrow you need to use. Is that clear? So these are some important shortcuts which will help you to work on Excel. Okay. Like this, it will not be asked in the interview directly that how to control, how to select all the data using shortcut and all, but you should know this in order to work on Excel. Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll be sharing this notepad at the end of the class. Okay. So in the last class, I had given some tasks to all of you. Have you guys done it?
Yes.
Okay. Who has done it?
I've done it.
Joyce.
Yes.
Okay. Uh,
I've
okay.
done 20.
I've also done it.
You have also done it? Okay. Anyone who was not able to do it, like who was facing challenges in doing it?
I faced challenges in number 1.
Lily, are you
Yes.
talking? Yeah. Who is talking?
Betty.
Betty. Yeah, Betty. Okay.
Yes, I faced challenges in question 1.
Question 1.
Yes.
All right. Could you please share your screen, Betty? Are you able to share your screen or not?
Just a minute.
Okay. So the question 1 was filter the module 1 data to find the details of all COVID patients whose age is less than 25 years and greater than 70 years and who are from India. Okay. So first filter you have to put on nationality. That is India. Have you put it? Yeah, that is fine. Second filter, you have to put on the age bracket column. Okay. Now, because this condition is not achievable by selecting the age manually, it will take a lot of time. So you have to use number filters from here. Yes. Now in number filters, you have to yeah, there are two conditions that the age should be greater than 70 years and less than 25 years. So first you select the less than condition or greater than condition, which one, any one of them. Okay. So in less than you write 25 there. Okay. Click OK. Now again go to the age bracket filter. Go to the number filter, and now this time go to greater than, and in greater than you write 70 years. Click OK. Okay. Yes. So scroll down a bit. Okay, wait. Just a second. Let me share my screen once. You can stop sharing your screen. Let me explain. Okay, the first filter I'll put on nationality. That is India. Okay. Second filter is on age bracket. So we'll go to the number filters. Okay, you can use custom filter here because see, there are two conditions here. One is that greater than 70 years and other condition is less than 25 years. So in order to suit both the conditions, you can use custom filter over here. So first condition is greater than, just a second. Oh, sorry, here. In age bracket, not in the data announce, in age bracket. Okay, number filters, custom filters. Yeah. So first is greater than 70. So here we write 70. And there will be and condition because in the question it was written and. Okay. Then second condition is less than 25. So that's why we'll write 25 here and then click OK. Okay. So there are no data matching, but this is how you apply filter in this column. Is that clear? So you have to use number filter, and in number filter you have to use custom filter, and in custom filter you can use both the condition, that is greater than and is less than. Is greater than 70 years, is less than 25 years.
I'm sure.
Yeah, hello.
I had trouble with this answer because okay, I tried this and I was getting this, but looking at the data, I could actually see people who are over 70.
So the issue is
So
that
how come it wasn't giving data?
okay, understood.
Yes.
See, let me finish. The issue is that there cannot be any person who can be greater than 70 years as well as who can be less than 25 years, because it is not possible. So that's why here we will have to use or. Okay, or means either the person should be greater than 70 years or the person should be less than 25 years. Now when you use or and we click OK, now you will get the answer, correct answer. All right. Here you can see you have 15 as well, which is less than 25 and greater than 70 values as well. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. So what I used, I ticked or here because there cannot be a person who has two ages. That is not possible, no? So that's why it will be or, because the question was to find the details of the patients whose age is either greater than 70 or less than 25. Okay. Anything which you didn't understand here? Shall we move ahead?
Yes.
Okay. So today we are going to start a new topic that is also a very important topic in Excel. You will get lots of questions from that. That is called Vlookup. Okay. So let me open a data source, that is sample superstore data. Okay. Just a second. I have to use the notepad. Okay. So the topic is Vlookup. Okay. Have you guys heard of Vlookup in Excel before?
No.
Oh,
Okay. So it is a very powerful feature in Excel. Okay. So Vlookup it is used to look up for a certain value from lookup array, from table array corresponding to a lookup value. I will explain you. First, let me write. Okay. So VLOOKUP formula is used to look up or is used to find for a certain value from the table array corresponding to a lookup value. Now, let me explain this with the help of an example so that it will be clear to all of you. This is a data source which consists lots of data. So you can consider this data source as table array. Okay, we call it as table array because this is the master data, or it is the uh, original table where all the data is present. So this is considered, this orders tab is considered as, this is the orders tab, this is the orders tab, this is considered as table array. Okay. Now let's say I'm just creating a question. So I have a row ID column here. All right. I have a row ID column here, and I want to find out the order ID. Okay. This is a new sheet where I have the row ID column, and I want to find out the order ID corresponding to each row ID. Are you getting the question? I want to find out the order ID corresponding to each row ID from this table array, that is from this orders table. So for example, the order ID corresponding to row ID 1 is this. The order ID corresponding to row ID 2 is this. So I want to write a formula which will fetch the order ID value corresponding to each row ID from this table array. Are you getting the requirement? Are you getting the question, what I am trying to say?
I am lost.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So see, this is a, I'm telling you from the beginning. Okay. So this is the original table, original data. Okay. This is called master data, or it is called table array. Okay. This tab is called table array. It consists lots of data. Now I have a question here. The question is that the row ID column is given. Okay, here. So the row ID column is also given over here in this table array. Okay. So the same row ID column is given over here. Okay. But I want to find the order ID for each row ID column. Is that clear? I want to find the order ID for each row ID column from where? From this table array. Okay. So for example, the order ID for row ID 1 is this. So I want to write a formula which will give this value corresponding to this row ID 1. Are you getting it? It should fetch the row ID, sorry, it should fetch the order ID value from the orders table and give it here. So I want to write a formula over here which will give me the order ID for each row ID from this orders table. Now you got the question?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So now we are going to learn how to write the VLOOKUP formula. So just look at it very carefully. So the formula for VLOOKUP is equals to VLOOKUP. Now, the benefit of Excel is that whenever you start writing any formula, Excel will automatically tell you that what values it requires. So you don't have to learn any formula. Is that clear? Once you start writing the formula, it will automatically give you the suggestions or recommendations of the values that it requires. Is that clear? So see here, I'm writing the formula equals to VLOOKUP. Now it is asking the lookup value first, because the lookup value is highlighted here, isn't it? The lookup value is in bold. It is highlighted here. So it is asking the lookup value here. So in our case, the lookup value will be the first value, that is the row ID. Is that clear? So the lookup value is this, because on the basis of corresponding to this only, we want to find the order ID. So that's why this is the lookup value. So we have selected this cell. So the cell address is A2, which is written over here automatically. Now, once we select the lookup value, we give a comma. After you give a comma, it will ask to select the table array. Okay. Now you have to select the table array. So I have told you which is the table array. The table array is this orders table, isn't it? So you have to select the entire orders table. Okay. If you don't want to select the entire orders table, at least you need to select the two columns which are involved in this question, that is the row ID and the order ID. All right. So I will be selecting the two columns from the top to bottom. All right. I hope you understand how to select and how to select the columns. Okay. So I have selected both the columns, that is row ID and order ID, like this. Okay. You see the formula is written over here. Once you select both the columns, you give a comma. Okay. Once you give a comma, it will ask column index number, isn't it? Column index number. Now, who can tell me that this order ID column is present at what position with respect to this row ID column? Who can tell me? The order ID column is present at which position with respect to this row ID column? Can anyone tell me?
To the left.
How much? So we need to write the column index number. So what will be the column index number? We want to find, see, we want to find the order ID. Okay. So this order ID is present at which position with respect to this row ID? Can anyone tell me? So this order ID is present in the second position, isn't it? Row ID is the first column. Order ID is the second column, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So we need to write 2 over here because order ID is present in the second column. That's why we have written 2. Okay, comma, comma. And now it is asking approximate match or exact match, isn't it? Approximate match or exact match. So in every case, you remember that you have to write 0 over here. 0 for exact match and 1 for approximate match. So in almost 99% of the case, you need to write 0 over here. Is that clear? And then
Yes.
you close the
Yes.
bracket and just press enter. As soon as you press enter, you will see the order ID value has appeared over here. Is that clear?
Anshu?
Yeah.
When you want to select the array,
Yes.
you don't select the
Table.
entire column.
I select the entire column. See, let me show it from starting. Okay, no problem. This entire class will be on Vlookup only, so don't worry. It is an important topic. So for this entire class, I will be teaching you only Vlookup. Is that clear? So see,
Yes.
yeah, I'm writing the formula again. Please look at it carefully. Equals to Vlookup. It is asking what? Lookup value. So lookup value will be this. All right, comma. Now it is asking table array. So I will open the table array. This is the table array. And I will select the first 2 columns because this is the only 2 columns which are there in the question. You can also select the entire data, but we don't have, it is not required to select the entire data. The work will be done if you just select the 2 columns, these 2 columns. Okay. So I select these 2 cells and then Control Shift down arrow to select the entire column from top to bottom. Is that clear? So
Yes.
you see here, the selections address is written over here. Orders exclamation mark A1 is to B5010. What does it mean? Orders is the tab name. Can you see this? This is the sheet's name or the tab's name. And the selection is from A1 to B5010. It means the selection is from the cell A1. This is the cell A1. And B5010 is the last cell. This is 5010, isn't it? So B5010 is the last cell of this column. Are you guys getting it? So this
Yes.
is how the address is written over here. Okay. So now once you have selected both the columns, you give a comma and then it is asking column index number. Can you see this? Column index number. So what is the position number of order ID in the selection which we have done? So order ID is the second position column, isn't it? Row ID is the first position column. Order ID is the second position column. Is it clear?
Yes.
So we'll write 2 here for column index number. Okay. Then we give a comma. And now it is asking approximate match and exact match. So 99% of the time you have to write 0 over here always. All right. And then close the bracket. This is the formula. And then press enter. So once you press enter, you will get the output for row ID 1. So for row ID 1, this is the order ID. You can cross check from the data. CA20201521556. Here also CA20201521556. Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. I know you you have to practice lots of time to make it perfect, but no problem. You can start from scratch. Okay. Now, once we have written the formula for the first row, what do you think? Do I have to write the formula for all the rows one by one, or is there any other technique?
No, you don't have.
So what should we do here? Can anyone tell me? If I want to autofill the formula for all the rows, what should we do? Can anyone tell me?
Anshu,
Yes.
maybe you can put the cursor there where the just go up there. Then you drop it down.
Yeah. So there are 2 ways to do it. The first way is to drag the cell from the corner, rightmost corner. See, you have to drag this cell from the bottom right corner towards the downside. Can everyone see this? So once you drag the cell from the bottom corner, you will see the formula will be auto-filled. Are you getting it? You can keep dragging the cell from the bottom right corner towards the downside, and you will see the formula will be auto-filled or copied for all the cells. Or else, there is one more way. You can just double click at the bottom right corner quickly. Okay, you just need to double click over here. Once you double click, the formula will be auto-filled for all the rows. Did you guys understand this? Let me show you again. So once you have written the Vlookup formula, you want to autofill it for all the rows. So there are 2 ways. Either you can drag the cell from the bottom right side towards the downside like this, which will take lots of time because there are huge number of rows here. So this is not preferable. Okay. So the wiser way to autofill the formula is double click at the bottom right. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how you autofill any formula, not just VLOOKUP, but any formula if you write and if you want to drag it for all the rows, then you can do it by double clicking at the bottom right side of the cell. All right. Let's do some more question of VLOOKUP so that it will be easier for you to understand. Okay. Let me write down something for VLOOKUP so that you can relate to it. Okay. In VLOOKUP, the lookup value must be present in the first column of the selected table array. Okay. So this is the most important criteria or the most important condition for VLOOKUP to run successfully. Okay. So in VLOOKUP, the lookup value must be present in the first column of the selected table array. Okay. In our example, what we did with the lookup value was this 1, isn't it? The lookup value was this. And in the table array, we selected the first 2 columns. So the 1 was present in the first column of the table array, isn't it? 1 was present in the first column of the table array, which we selected. So that's why VLOOKUP executed successfully. If 1 was not present in the first column of the selected table array, then VLOOKUP wouldn't have worked. Okay. Let us see some more example to understand it properly. Now, for example, we have figured out order ID. That's fine. Now, I want to find out the customer ID from here. Okay. Let's say I want to find out the customer ID. I'm writing the heading customer ID. Okay. Now I want to fetch the customer ID for each row ID. Is the question clear? I want to fetch the customer ID for each row ID from the orders table. Is the question clear to everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will use the same VLOOKUP formula. All right. The formula goes like equals to VLOOKUP lookup value. So again, the lookup value will be this one. All right. Comma. Table array. Now, table array. Now, this time I have to select the table from row ID to customer ID because we need to find customer ID. Is that clear? So the lookup value was 1. So we need to make sure that the selected table array must contain 1 in the first column. Okay. So we have to select from here because then only the lookup value will be present in the first column. So we are selecting from here to customer ID and all the data from top to bottom. Okay. So you can see I have selected the table from row ID to customer ID. So this is the selected table array. Okay. Then we give a comma. Now it is asking column index number. Now, can anyone tell me what is the position number of this customer ID column with respect to this row ID column?
Column 6.
6.
6. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So 6 is the column index number this time. All right. So 6, comma, and you have to write 0 for exact match always. Close the bracket and enter. As soon as you press enter, you will get the customer ID value for row ID 1. You can cross check it. The answer is CG12520. And here also the answer is CG12520. Is that clear? Your answer is correct. Now, again, I want to autofill the formula for all the rows downwards. So what will we do? We will double click at the bottom right corner of the cell like this. Once you double click here, the formula will be auto filled and the values will automatically populate like this. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. So if you know how to perform VLOOKUP, you are way to go to work in any company. Like, it's a very important formula. Okay. And in real time scenarios also, you have to use VLOOKUP a lot number of times in real time projects. All right. So I suggest you practice it very much. Okay. Let's do again one more thing. Let's say I want to find the state this time. I want to find the state for each row ID. Let us write the formula again. Equals to VLOOKUP. Now it is asking lookup value. So lookup value is row ID, comma, table array. Now we have to select the table from row ID to state. Okay, because we want to find state. So I will select the table from here to here and then Control Shift down arrow. Is that clear? Then you need to give comma. Now, what will be the column index number of state with respect to row ID? Lily, what will be the column index number of state with respect to row ID?
Is it, or I've counted wrongly?
Uh,
Is it 11?
yes, it will be 11. Okay. Because your state is in the K column. So if you count from A to K, it comes out to be 11. All right. Yes. Now give a comma and then 0. Bracket close, enter. So this is the state, Kentucky. Now double click at the bottom right to autofill the states for all the row IDs. Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Does everyone has this sample superstore data with you?
I don't have the data.
Okay, no
I
problem.
don't have it.
Kindly share.
Okay, no problem. So let me build some question for today so that you can do it right now. Okay. So you have this data with you, isn't it? Module 1 data, isn't it? Okay. So I have patient number. I want to find nationality. So can anyone try and write the formula for finding the nationality. So if you don't have the, what you can do is that copy this patient ID column like this, select the entire column like this, press Ctrl C, open a new sheet, okay, and paste it over here. And then you write here nationality. All right. And now use the Vlookup formula to find the nationality for each patient number. Can everyone do this?
Yes, we can try.
Yes, please try and please do it right now. I'm giving everyone 2 minutes.
And you shared the data.
What?
Which data are we using?
The module 1 data. The module 1 data. Yeah. If anyone is facing difficulty, feel free to tell me.
Just remind me a little bit how to.
Yeah. Could you please share your screen, Lily?
Okay. Just a minute. Can you see my screen?
Not now. Yes.
Are you able to see it right now?
Could you open your Excel?
Yeah.
Yes, I can see your screen. So what are you doing here? Where are you putting the formula? Okay, no, see, I think you are mistaken. Okay. First you do one thing.
Putting the formula.
Okay, you are putting the formula. Fine. So, okay, you have written VLOOKUP, then the lookup value will be the cell A2. That's fine. Given comma. Now go to the COVID data. This is the table array. Yeah. Now select the table array from patient number to nationality. Now, how to select it from top to bottom? You have selected till here. Now Control Shift down arrow.
Down.
Control Shift. No. Keep pressing Control Shift button. Not like that. It will take a lot of time. You just keep holding the Control and Shift button and then press down arrow. Are you getting it?
Okay. Just a minute.
First you select. No, not like that. First you select from patient number to nationality. from your mouse. Yeah, okay. Okay, now keep holding your control button and shift button on your keyboard and then press the down direction arrow.
Yes.
Yes, understood. Now give a comma in the formula tab. Give a comma in the formula tab. Yeah. Give a comma. Now it is asking column index number. So now you don't have to scroll like that. Can you see the scroller bar at the right side? The scroller bar at the right side. You need to drag it towards up side. And at the right side, there is a, no, this is a left side where you are going. On the right side, there is a scroller bar. Yes. Drag it towards the top. Yes. Now count the column number of nationality on the basis of patient number. What is the column number of nationality? 8, isn't it?
It's number 8. Yes.
Yes. Now give comma, close the bracket and press enter. And there you go. This is the nationality. Okay. Now double click at the bottom right. Yes. Did you double click?
Yes. My laptop is a bit hanging.
Okay. But it will be auto filled. Okay. No problem. Okay. So this is how you do it.
Thank you.
Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. What about others?
I'm done.
Could you please show me, share your screen?
Okay.
Could you just, could you please click on cell number B2? Cell number B2. Which is that cell number B2? Can you tell me? Yeah, this one. Click over there. No, this is B3. Okay. You need to understand the cell address. B2. I'm telling B2. Yes, this is B2. So, fine. The formula is correct. Okay. Did you understand? How did you do it? Are you on mute? I think you are on mute. Okay. You can stop sharing your screen. You have done it correctly. Thank you. So, Joyce, have you done it?
Yes.
Could you show us by sharing your screen?
Able to see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Okay. Click on cell B2. Show me the formula. Yes. Yeah. Correct. Thank you. Who is left? Betty?
My computer is hanging.
Okay.
But
So
I think I got how to
did
do
you
it.
do it right now? Did you write the formula? Is it
I
working?
got how to do it, but my computer is hanging.
Okay, okay. Please fix it. Okay. Get it
Okay.
fixed and please practice VLOOKUP as many times as you can. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Who is left? Lucy, are you also doing?
I'm good, Anshu.
Okay, great. Okay, has everyone done? Is there anyone left? I think everyone has done, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, now everyone, can you quickly find out the detected city also here? If I want to find out the uh, detected city, write the formula to find the detected city for each patient number. Do it. Has anyone done?
Yes, I'm done.
Could you please share your screen? All right. Could you please show me the formula by clicking at cell number C2? Okay. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. What about others?
I'm done too.
Joyce, you have done? All right. What about Betty, Edna, Lily?
I'm okay. I've not done it yet because my laptop is still hanging.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Is it because of software issues, Lily?
I don't even know. I'm
Okay,
trying
okay.
to reboot it.
All right, all right. Edna, Betty, you have done? If you are facing issues, do let me know. Share your screen. I'll help you out. Can I hear something from you all, Betty, Edna, so that we can move forward? Are you guys on mute? Can everyone else hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, let me give you a tricky question. Let's see you are able to understand this or not. Okay. Mm, Everyone, in your COVID data, kindly add one row here. Kindly add one column in the left side of this patient number. I hope you understand how to add a row, how to add a column. This is the column A. Select the entire column, right click, and then insert. Okay, a column has been added. Is that clear? So add a blank column on the left side of the patient number column. Okay. So after adding a blank column on the left side of the patient number column, then find this nationality again. You got the question? Add a blank column on the left side of the patient number column, and then you find nationality on the basis of the patient number. Got the question or not?
Kindly repeat the question.
So the question is that this is the COVID data. Okay. What I did, I just added a blank column on the left side of the patient number column. Earlier, the data was like this, isn't it? You will be having the data like this. What I did, I just added a column. You need to select the entire column like this. You just click on this A alphabet so that the entire column is selected. Then right click and then insert. A blank row will be inserted. Okay. Now find nationality on the basis of patient number using Vlookup. Understood?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Is anyone doing it? Okay, let me give you a hint. So I had made you write this statement. This is, you need to follow this. You need to apply this statement while using VLOOKUP. That is, the lookup value must be present in the first column of the selected table array. Are you getting it?
Yes, yes, I am getting you.
Okay. I'll do it.
I'm done.
All right. What about others? Who said done?
Right.
Yeah, Joyce. You can you share the screen? Okay. Can you show me? Okay. Okay. So can you show me the COVID data tab? Okay. Can you explain what you have done? What different thing you have done here?
What I did, oh, the same way we were doing the VLOOKUP from
No, no. Your voice is breaking. Can you just tell again?
okay, from here.
Yeah.
So the VLOOKUP, I selected this one, the patient number.
Okay.
Then I went to the COVID data.
Right.
I selected from here again. I didn't select from the rank
Yeah.
column.
Yeah. Why did you do that?
Okay, you said we have to use the first column with the data given.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes, because the lookup value must be present in the first column of the table array. That is the rule. Is that clear? So you need to follow that. All right. Understood. the lookup value must be present in the first column of the selected table array. Understood?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, good. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. What about others? Claire, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Yeah.
I'm still working on it.
Could you share your screen? All right. Yeah. Just continue writing the formula. Okay, so you are doing something wrong. Okay, click OK. Okay, okay, write the formula from start. Write VLOOKUP. Yeah, select the table array, give a comma. Now you need to select from column B1 because the lookup value is present in the should be present in the first column of the table array. Yes. From there you should select till nationality. Yeah. Control Shift down. Yeah, comma
That's okay. That's okay.
8. Will it be 8 or 8 only now? 0. Yeah. Close the bracket. Enter. All right. Double click at the bottom right.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yes, it's very clear.
All right. So you understood, no? So
Yes.
this is how you do it. Always remember that the lookup value must be present in the first column of the table array. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Edna, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Could you please share your screen?
I've not yet done the question because I need to go back and like read the whole session again.
Okay, but I think I'm teaching very slowly, isn't it?
Yes,
Is
but I have to go back. Yeah.
okay. Are you sure you will be able to understand after going back to the recordings?
Yes, I will.
All right.
Because I want to practice.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so that I get a better understanding of the whole topic.
Okay, so okay, so uh, you were following the class, isn't it? So
Yes, yes, I'm
yeah,
following.
did you lost somewhere? Like, did you lost the flow somewhere, or what was
Mm,
the reason?
yeah, I did, but I have to. I don't want to drag anyone behind. I'll have to go back. If I have any question, I'll have to contact you.
Yeah, all right, all right. Okay. So like while I was teaching, if you had lost somewhere, you could have stopped me and asked me to repeat at that time only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But no problem. You can revise the session and you can then do it. Okay. So Betty, are you there?
Yes,
You have you done this question?
yes.
Okay. Can you show us? Hmm. Click on it. All right. That's fine. Thank you, Betty.
Mama, mami, usingizi sikuchukua ya kusaidia.
Betty, you can mute yourself. Uh, okay, so I think all of you have done. Only Lily's laptop is hanging. Lily, did you understand the question?
Yes, I've already done it also.
All right, all right. Your system is working.
Yeah, it's
Can
on
you
and off. Yeah.
can you share your screen now?
Okay.
All right.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can see your screen. Can you show the COVID data set? COVID sheet? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Correct. 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 All right. Thank you. So, thanks for sharing, Lily. So I'm going to share a question set on VLOOKUP. Let me show you the question set and you'll have to do it by the next class. All right. Let me show, where is it? Module 2. Yeah. So I'm going to share this entire module 2 sheet now. We are done with the module 1 sheet. This is module 2 sheet. Okay. Here, let me show you, where is this? Can you see this VLOOKUP tab here? Everyone? Can everyone see this VLOOKUP tab in this volume 2 module 2 sheet?
No, I can't see anything.
Okay, just a second.
I can't see.
Just a second. Okay. Can everyone see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the module 2 Excel sheet. Okay. It consists lots of tabs. Okay. We will be doing all the tabs in our class. We will be doing the questions of all the tabs in our class and we will understand the concepts. All right. As of now, we have done VLOOKUP. So now I want everyone to just do example 2 table. Can you see this? Example 2 table. This is the table. Okay. This is the table where the products are given and the price of each product is given. you just need to use the VLOOKUP formula here and find the price of product 4. So here the answer should be $15 after applying VLOOKUP. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah, you
Yes.
need to apply VLOOKUP formula here so that this $15 appears over here, because this is the price of product 4. So this will be your homework. All right. And okay, just do this. The rest of the questions is based on approximate match, which I will teach you in tomorrow's class. All right. As of now, only do this example 2 as your homework. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. So I am going to share this data set with you right now. Just hold on. Everyone, please download this data set and do the question number, example number 2. The VLOOKUP tabs table 2 as your homework. Okay. Where is that? Module 2. Module 2. Yes. Okay. So I have shared that sheet in the group. Please download it and do this question. Okay. Tomorrow we will see how to use approximate match, and we will see other topics like what are references, what are various types of references, and what are various types of logical operators. Everything we will see sequentially. All right. Any questions so far? Did you guys understood today's class properly?
Yes, it was well understood.
All right.
Yes, I also understood.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks all of you. So okay, have a nice day, and tomorrow we will connect same time and we'll continue our Excel sessions. All right. Till
Okay,
then,
bye.
take care. Take care. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye, class.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.